Today I'm going to be changing the air filter in my car. Now I'm doing this on my Subaru Impreza WRX, but the process is pretty much the same for most cars. You might need a screwdriver or two or some sockets depending on your car, and you'll obviously need your new air filter as well. To find the right filter for your car, just jump on your preferred manufacturer's website. I generally use Ryco for filters. Enter in your rego, or you can search for your car. You can see here it's popped up with my car. I can select that, and then it's going to give me all the filters that I need for my car, including the air filter. In the engine bay, you want to locate your air intake pipe, which will look like this, and your air box, which will be connected to it. Now there are these pipe clamps on it, which you may need to undo depending on your car, and then usually the air box is held together with some clips, and you can just pop those off like that, and then I'm just going to lift it off without undoing the whole thing, and I can pop the old filter out. And there's a comparison with the new filter. So I can then just pop the new one in, making sure it goes in the same way that the old one came out. That just pops in there. Airbox goes back on, and put those clips back on. Some of these airboxes will have 4 clips as well. And that's all there is to it.